as we work through the integration of generative AI and other technology in our day-to-day, what are some of the training and guidelines and messages that we should be giving to employers to ensure they understand when and how to interact with Gen AI and handle the kind of the change management process with pulling it
in? The first thing on change management for me is make sure you're solving a real problem. And again, that it might sound very basic, but if you try to bring in AI or Gen AI to completely flip a process on its head and handle something in a completely different way than it's used to be handled, and you say to people, hey, there's the shiny AI way of doing things, and this is your old way, which was, to be replaced is now redundant. You've got their backs up. You've given them something shiny and new over here. And you've got to validate, was I really solving the core of the problem, or did I get distracted slightly by the shininess of the new thing? So if you come into them and say, hey, we've had this problem, you've had this problem in your real world experience on a regular basis, this AI will help to assist have that problem less often, or take those tasks that you don't like doing off your queue. It's going to start automating some of those. You remain in control. You're still the decision maker. And this is just solving problems over here. You're on step 9 of the change journey, rather than the person who's come in and tried to do something shiny and new over here. On training and coaching, there's a really important aspect of AI that should be very natural to people who work in insurance, but may not be, is that it's risk-based, it's probability. So AI is going to be wrong sometimes. We predict this claim is going to last 6 months, it'll last 10 years. Right? You said it was going to be 6 months. Like, yeah, no, it's okay, I'm wrong sometimes. The Gen AI, there's a summary of this document and it's missed a key element. That's going to happen. And your processes should allow for that to happen, embrace that, wrap around it, and ensure that you're still getting the value out of the 99 times it gets it right, that you don't end up doing all the work for the 100 times. But when you're training people and talking to people, be open. Embrace the fact that sometimes this is going to be off, but the overall impact is positive for everyone, including them. And it's, demystify it. As you mentioned there, ChatGPT, and if we read the papers, anyone reads the papers anymore or listens to podcasts, AI is coming for your job. No, AI is not coming for your job. If you are a decision maker, AI is definitely not coming for your job. What AI is going to come and do is going to take the parts of your job that you don't like doing and allow you to do the parts of your job that are important. Because AI cannot make claims determinations. It's not coming for that. It's just coming for reading documents, providing guidance, helping you ensure that you don't have to do 74 things when only one is important because the other 73 are checking that there's nothing untoward happening. So I think they're the major things. Make sure you're solving problems, embrace the non-determinism of them, and go forth and address the fear, demystify what it is you're doing. If it's shrouded in lightning bolts and magic symbols, you're saying something lightning bolty and magic is coming in here and it's going to do a core part of your job and you really care about it, I'm afraid you're in trouble.